All right, third grade. So we've learned a couple strategies for multiplication. So let's look at the problem 3 times 4. The first way we figured out how to solve this was by doing equal groups or like sets. So here I have 3 groups with 4 in each group. So I know that 4 plus 4 plus 4 equals 12. The next strategy that we talked about were arrays. So here I have 3 groups with 4 in each group. So I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. So I have 3 groups with 4 in each in them. So that gives me 12 total. The next strategy we're going to talk about is a number line. So here I have my number line. Start at 0. I'm going to be doing 3 jumps with 4 each time. So I have my first jump of 4 and I land on 4. Then I do my next jump of 4 and I land on 8. And then I do one more jump of 4 and I land on 12. So these are all different strategies that you could use to solve a multiplication problem.